Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated cake pans. In the same way that building a house starts with a solid foundation, baking a cake does too. If you use the wrong pan, you run the risk of getting scorched edges or, even worse, a crumbly, stuck-together mess. The good news is that you won't have to look far to discover one that meets your needs. In this video, we have prepared for you a list of the 7 top-rated cake pans that'll get the job done. Whether you're a new baker experimenting with a bunt cake appropriate for a birthday or a blossoming professional creating a special wedding cake, the team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the cake pans that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to our channel for regular updates. The first cake pan on our list is the Zulay Premium Cake Pan. This is a spring-formed cake pan you need in your kitchen if you want to prepare oven-baked items with exceptional results. The pan features a non-stick surface, which eliminates the need for flouring or greasing the pan when baking delectable cakes, quiches, mousse, or even deep bowl pizzas and lasagna, or an attachment for Instant Pot. In terms of size, this cake pan measures 9.17 by 9.17 by 2.91 inches and weighs 14.4 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Zulay Premium Cake Pan a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: heavy gauge steel core. The heavy gauge steel core of the stainless steel cheesecake pan ensures uniform heat distribution. Interlocking layers. With interlocking layers for a precise release, you can make professional-looking cheesecake, coffee cakes, tarts, and other desserts. Honeycomb texture. Its honeycomb textured foundation allows uniform heat transfer and consistent baking of the cake layers. Stainless steel latch. The wide stainless steel latch makes it easy to lock and unlock the pan's walls, making cake removal straightforward and easy. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's not dishwasher safe. The second cake pan on our list is a Cuisinart Chef's Classic Cake Pan. The Chef's Classic nonstick bakeware from Cuisinart is excellent for today's cooks. Regardless of the baking task, its superior quality ensures years of excellent performance. In terms of size, it has dimensions of 10.1 by 9.6 by 9.2 inches and weighs 1.25 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Cake Pan a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dishwasher safe. You can save time in cleaning up as the product is entirely dishwasher safe. Heavy gauge aluminized steel. The pan is made of heavy gauge aluminized steel for consistent baking outcomes and even heat distribution. Non-stick. Both the interior and exterior of the pan are non-stick, making food release and cleanup a breeze. Extra thick rolled edges. It features extra thick rolled edges to prevent warping. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's fairly heavy, but it has no effect on the baked cake's conclusion. The third cake pan on our list is the Farberware Bakeware Cake Pan. The Farberware nonstick bakeware 9-inch square cake pan is perfect for baking double batches of brownies and homemade birthday party cakes, and preparing savory dishes like a batch of lasagna and some spicy enchiladas. When it comes to size, the cake pan measures 9 by 9 by 1.63 inches and has a weight of 15.8 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Farberware Bakeware Cake Pan a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: heavy-duty structure. The heavy-duty structure of the 9-inch square cake pan prevents warping and cooks evenly to brown attractively and reduce hot spots. Oven safe. This pan is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for roasting and baking. Non-stick coating. It has a non-stick coating that's both healthy and environmentally friendly. Easy to clean. The pan's coating made it easy to clean with hot water and dish soap with no scrubbing required. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the metal is quite thick. The fourth cake pan on our list is the Good Cook Square Cake Pan. The Good Cook has developed kitchen equipment that has made cooking easier and more pleasant over the years. This cake pan is no different, as it's designed to distribute heat evenly and quickly to prevent hot spots or burnt edges when baking small cakes, brownies, and casseroles. In terms of size, it has a size of 12.8 by 9.7 by 7.4 inches and weighs 7 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Good Cook Square Cake Pan a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: heavy gauge steel. It's built of heavy gauge steel that won't warp and will last a long time. Dishwasher safe. The cake pan is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Metal utensil safe. The pan is metal utensil safe, so you don't have to worry about the type of utensil you're supposed to use with it. Non-stick coating. The premium non-stick coating resists scratching and makes food removal a breeze. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have a non-slip grip. The fifth cake pan on our list is the Wilton Adjustable Cake Pan Set. This adjustable cake pan set is sure to become a favorite for bakers and decorators of all ages. It's perfect for sports-themed parties, monogram cakes, graduations, and milestone birthday celebrations. In terms of size, it has dimensions of 9.56 by 15.25 by 2.27 inches and weighs 2.52 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wilton Adjustable Cake Pan Set a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Adjustable. You can make cakes in the shape of all 26 letters of the alphabet or any number from 0 to 9 with this adjustable bakeware set. Grid guide design. The grid guide design at the bottom of the 14.5 by 9-inch pan keeps inserts in place, ensuring that your delectable batter stays put. Scratch-resistant non-stick coating. This cake pan set has a scratch-resistant non-stick coating that allows food to slide or pop out easily. Inserts. Inserts nest neatly inside the pan for convenient storage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, if you're not careful, the inserts can bend. The sixth cake pan on our list is the USA Pan Bakeware Cake Pan. The 9-inch round cake pan is 9 by 9 by 2 inches in size and has a weight of 1 pound, making it ideal for crafting delicious traditional cakes. You can use it to perfectly bake your favorite cake recipes such as chocolate or red velvet. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the USA Pan Bakeware Cake Pan a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Americoat coating. It has a non-stick Americoat coating which is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA free and provides quick and easy release of all baked goods. Aluminized and heavy gauge steel. The cake pan's construction is made of aluminized steel and heavy gauge steel, ensuring even heat distribution and a long service life. Fluted surface. Its fluted surface design allows for better air circulation while also increasing the pan's strength and resistance to warping. Non-stick. This cake pan has a non-stick feature that makes cleanup truly effortless. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the materials provided with the product state hand wash only. The seventh cake pan on our list is the Fat Daddio's Cake Pan Set. With Fat Daddio's Cake Pans, you can make your own cakes and treats for birthdays, holidays, and other important events. It's a must-have baking set for bakeries, cupcake businesses, and restaurants. The pan's design allows it to create amazing deep dish pizzas and circular tiered and layered cakes. When it comes to size, the pans measure 7.64 by 7.64 by 2.01 inches and weigh 10.4 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Fat Daddio's Cake Pan Set a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. No added metals, chemical additives, dyes, PTFEs, or PFOAs. Unlike standard bakeware, the set has no added metals, chemical additives, dyes, PTFEs, or PFOAs, making it safe for citrus-based meals. 16-gauge anodized aluminum. The pans are made of 16-gauge anodized aluminum, so they're easy to clean. Built to last. They're designed to withstand daily use in both residential and commercial kitchens, so you'll definitely get a bang for your buck. Rolled rim. The cake pans have rolled rims for easier handling. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is hand wash is recommended for proper maintenance. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated cake pans, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cake pan roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.